Hi, Gretchen. You sit down at your new table and chair. Look at that. Are you coloring? Yeah, you got your Barbie coloring book, huh? Do you like your new table and chair?
Mama.
They're so pretty, huh? Yes, they are. You look so good in your room. Say bye-bye.
Why?
You want to sing a song?
No. Here it is.
Mm-hmm. You going to sing a song for me?
What song do you want me to sing?
Sing I Love You.
I love you. You love me. We are best friends like friends should be. It's a great big hug and a kiss for me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Whoop. Got out those markers. Blow me a kiss. Beautiful.